crush the Rebel Alliance and control the galaxy!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You are a Rebel spy and a traitor to the Empire. Take her away!
Hasta la vista, baby. You are terminated.
General, over there, aren't those comic books?
Captain, get your men.
We gotta get out of here now!
Flag and ragtag sidekick!
Slow down, will ya? I'm waddling here.
Oh, blast, you darn idiot galoots!
There's got to be 314 hotels and 142 casinos in Las Vegas. You're never going to find that duck.
Dad never misses a cue. What's up, Duck? She's stuck with me.
Excuse me!
You, him, her, them.
Come on! Sorry, no, too dangerous! Out!
You are in big trouble, Mr. Are you really kidnapping me? Stop the
So, what brings you to Las Vegas? You ran out of people to fire in L.A.?
You stole my duck.
You're a duck. Bah, I belong to the world.
You know what? You can have it.
Don't you ever run off like that! What if we take you to the pound? How would I find you?
Dynamite? Dynamite!
Welcome to my world.
Your sense of direction is impeccable.
We better run!
Let's move!
Let the doctor handle this. Ladies, who wants to meet an astronaut? Ladies, one at a time! I'm on Facebook! Quick, hotwire the car. Hotwire the who? When are you green goopers gonna evolve?
will stay on.
Taking you to Mother.
Everybody make a wish.
ETA to Mother, 10 minutes.
Fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some excitement.
So, what are your plans now, if I may ask?
Daffy'll save us. He's the hero. All right, Bucktooth, stick a carrot in it.
Hey, everybody calm down, all right? I can handle this.
Your sense of direction is impeccable.
Huh, out of gas.
What? It doesn't work like that.